Here I have WIKO Tommy, and let me show you how to enter the factory mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by holding a power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. As soon as following boot mode pops up, let's press volume down to choose factory mode. Excellent, as you can see, the factory mode is already on the screen. You can, for example, choose here essential test, PCBA test, full test, item test. You can navigate by tapping appropriate options. Here, for example, you've got the item tests. You can choose here the version. This is the version of your device. Choose pass or fail. You can check, for example, the vibrator. You can check the speaker. You may also test a panel, LCD contrast, memory card, SIM detection, LED and other stuff. So you can also see the test report. Here we've got the report. Let me tap exit. You can also test other things such as headset, receiver, the battery, the sensors, and the radio, Bluetooth, and lots of more. Let me exit the item test. You may also see test report from the following menu. You can select GPS and the TP upgrade if you wish. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose either shutdown or reboot. Let me choose reboot. And now the device is booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, as you can see now your device is ready to use, the phone is in normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.